For this, our main event of the evening. The champion is 36. The challenger is 34. JL said a slight difference in the weight, a slight difference in the reach. These are two of the greatest of all time. This is why they fight.
The challenger, Cris Cyborg. The defending belator featherweight world champion, Julia
move by Julia. You saw Cris push her towards the cage, and right away, Julia.
This is the type of thing that you need to do to control the pace, control the distance. Make sure you don't get hit shots with shots like that.
And make sure you don't take the knee on the way out, right?
Nice exit by Cris, and beautiful trick takedown. Being on the bottom is not to get their hand in the right place so they can land those knees. This is a grueling style of fight.
The title holder for nearly 3 years, Julia Budd. 3 minutes into this, she stepped in. The slip by Cyborg after the kick.
And that triangle, she's going to get the other hand inside, and she's a pull right out. Get the head out.
He's not in the position yet. 45 seconds left in round one. Oh, she fires away.
Big right hand by Cris. This is where Cris becomes very dangerous. On top, she is explosive.
Julia Budd needs to control the posture of Cris Cyborg right here. Round one.
No, it was a very close round, but there were some things that happened that might give Cris Cyborg round one 10-9.
And she comes out extremely aggressive here at the beginning of round number 2.
Nice.
Breathing pretty heavy right now. You see her mouth is open.
Both of them are breathing kind of heavy. I think it is. There's so much pressure. There's an adrenaline dump. You've got to get smooth like that. She needs to always work towards getting that under her. That's what's going to work for her.
Good shots from Cyborg.
She needs to do, she needs to pull her away and step behind or get her feet moving.
Another good knee from Cris Cyborg, John.
Nice response. You see Cris not only fought off the takedown, but left her with the reminder of you don't want to do it.
For Cyborg, it's her first fight in Bellator. And, you know, you want to perform. You want to show that the money you signed.
Close guard. Under 2 minutes left in round 3.
What she needs to do is put her feet on the hips. She doesn't want to be underneath her like this. Got to put the feet on the hips and kick them out. Get up from there. You cannot afford to hang out with your hands behind your head.
Got her head stuck a little bit. Just got it out. Side control here. Nice body attack by Cris.
Both women have only been defeated twice in their professional careers. Cris Cyborg in her professional debut 14 plus years ago, and then to Amanda Nunes.
You see that grittiness of Cris Cyborg. She's putting her hand over her face. She's making sure she's restricting her breathing. She's driving her forehead across her forearm across her mouth and her jaw and her nose. She's letting her know that she's in a fight every moment of this fight. And we saw from the highlights in between rounds 2 and 3. Every time on the break, you're not just going to break from me. I'm going to let you just walk away. No, I'm going to make you pay on the way out. And that's just the experience of Cris Cyborg.
Julia Budd was finished by Amanda Nunes in her second professional fight. Last seconds of this round, big ground and pound from Cyborg.
What Julia's been able to put out. Nice chop to behind. There's some more. Look at that. He's in trouble on this one.
And the knees, more hands.
He is in trouble, Mike.
Big trouble.
Big shot again.
This is the Cyborg that we have watched.
Body shot heard.
And it is all over. Cris Cyborg. It's the Bellator featherweight world champion.
And then a shot upstairs. Nice leg kick, but watch the shot to the body. And there comes that right hand. Landing multiple times. Gets through her guard a little bit. Big left hand. Knee Goes back to the kick. She's just starting to tear her apart, and then she finally lands that one body shot, puts her right down. So you saw how that body shot folded her. A little bit of a delayed reaction. Anybody that's been hit to the body knows that feeling. It's like, I'm fine, oh no, I'm not, and it's all over.
I hate that feeling.
So does everybody. Look at this, this is live action. Look at the shots Julia's starting to take. Those are out of that body shot, just folds her down. Mike Beltran being a bully and pushing Cris over, that was just wrong, but a fantastic win for Cris Cyborg.
Winner by TKO, and now the new